In front of me I've got Motorola Moto G100. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, enter settings. Now go to display, and here we've got all settings for our display. We can, for example, change brightness level, enable or disable dark theme, night light, and adaptive brightness. Then we can change styles, wallpaper, or adapt full screen for apps. Next we can enable or disable peak display, change screen timeout between 15 seconds or 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change colors, display refresh rate, font size, display size, screensaver, or we can enable or disable attentive display, free finger screenshot, swipe to split, ready for, and we can adjust screen recording. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.